Many fish farmers lose fingerlings within the first few days after stocking, not because the fish are bad, but because of poor acclimatization. In this video, I will show you how to acclimatize fingerlings properly before stocking, so you can reduce stress, prevent early death, and protect your investment. Welcome to From Pond to Profit. What is acclimatization? Acclimatization is the process of gradually helping fish adjust to the new pond environment before release. Why it matters? It prevents shock, reduces stress, and improves survival rate. Common mistakes farmers make: pouring fish directly into the pond, ignoring temperature difference, stocking immediately after transport. Sudden temperature or water change can kill fingerlings within minutes. Step-by-step acclimatization process. Step 1. You float the bag. Place the seed fish bag on the pond water. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Purpose: to equalize temperature. Step 2. Gradually mix pond water. Open the bag slightly, add small amounts of pond water every 5 minutes. Do this 3 to 4 times. The purpose is to adjust pH and water chemistry. Step 3. Gentle release. Tilt the bag and allow fish to swim out by themselves. Do not pour aggressively. Best time to stock fingerlings: early morning and late evening. Why? Lower temperature, higher oxygen, and less stress. What to do after stocking? Do not feed immediately. Wait 12 to 24 hours. Observe fish behavior. Remove weak or dead fish quickly. Signs acclimatization was done wrong: fish swimming weakly, floating at the surface, sudden deaths within 24 hours. Proper acclimatization can save thousands of naira in fish farming. Take your time, reduce stress, and your fish will reward you with better survival and growth. Like, subscribe, and share this video with another fish farmer. This is From Pond to Profit. See you in the next video.